Four points are given. We should take them in order and show that the figure formed is a rhombus. So I'll show you a very simple method by using slopes method. Okay, with this method we can easily identify whether it is rhombus or any other figure also. So first of all we should know the properties of rhombus. What are the properties of rhombus? We know that it is just four sides. All the four sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel and all sides are same equal length. Okay, it is just like a square only thing is here at the adjacent places the angle is not 90 degrees. And one more thing is the diagonals both bisect each other perpendicularly means the diagonals will cut exactly half of at 90 degrees. Okay, that's now the given points are A, B, C and D. Okay, now what is A? We should take in the form of in a order -4 -7 -1 2 and 8 comma 5 and 5 comma -4. Okay, these are the points are given. Now what we have to do is simply find out the two adjacent sides, means this AB slope you find out and BC slope you find out, and then you find out two diagonals. Okay, two diagonals slopes. What are that one? AC slope and BD slope. Okay, that's all. We can easily identify whether it's a rhombus or not. Now look here, what is the slope of this AB? AB slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus y1. 2 minus of -7 means it is 9 by -1 of -4 it is +4, so therefore it is 3. So this will be 9 by 3 means it is of course 3. What is the slope of BC? BC slope is 5 minus 2 is 3 and my 8 minus of -1 is 9, so 1 by 3. So the product of these slopes AB and BC is 3 into 1 by 3, that is equal to 1. So that is equal to 1 and it is not equal to -1. The product is not equal to -1, therefore the AB and BC are not perpendicular to each other. AB BC are not perpendicular. That means angle at B is not equal to 90 degrees. Okay, now find the slope of diagonals. Let us find the slope of BD. What is BD slope? It is -4 -2, it is -6 by, okay, next 5 minus of +6, so it will be -1 is the slope. Then what about slope of AC? AC is equal to, it is 5 minus of -7, it is 12. 5 plus 7 12 and 8 minus of -4, it is 12, so it is 1. Now the product is what? Product of slopes is -1 into 1, that is equal to -1. So what does it implies? It implies the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Okay, they bisect perpendicular each other. Okay, so therefore they form 90 degrees. The angle between them is 90 degrees. So this implies that, so this is a rhombus. The figure formed is a rhombus. Hope you understood. We'll stop here.